Thank you, babe. Bro, open it.
No, I'm too ugly. You open it. No, you record you.
No, it's
No,
good.
you record you.
It's good. Alright, fine. Oh, snaps. This is the real deal.
You got scared again.
What?
You were like, oh, my phone is good.
Okay. You got the operations manual. Why is there two? Oh, the safety guide and the quick start guide. I guess you gotta be safe.
That's fake.
Got the cord.
Fake PS5, babe.
Huh?
Fake PS5.
Ooh. Alrighty. Just like how I remember them.
What is that?
Is the water boiling?
Yeah, what is it?
Just flash the noodles first.
You got us a hookup.
Shh. I don't have to thank Juan. We paid for it. What? Really? No, babe, not too much. What is this? I guess I should have read the instructions. USB cords to something. What? Oh man. Oh, it's upside down. At Best Buy?
You gotta just like get lucky.
Oh really? Ooh. This is the disc version, huh?
No, it's the one has.
Oh, the digital and disc. Damn, that thing looks sexy.
Okay, this is the new one.
I guess this is the stand for it, huh? Oh, what is this?
Let's read the instructions.
So this is where that stand goes.
He doesn't know how to fix it.
And this little screw was in this area here. You had to originally pop off
He doesn't know how to fix it.
the top off the bottom of the PS5, which is this piece. And then it allows for the screw to go back in there. I just used a knife to get it out. You gotta be careful. So the stands, let's sit right there.
Yo, look at that.
So this one is for the power. And then this one is for the HDMI cable, so that it can connect to your TV. Here. Power is here. And like this one, it seems like it's for the remote. So I finally turned it on. It has this blue light. Ooh. Yes. It's on. It's on. Shit just got real. It has like this hue. It turns to different colors. Let me turn off the lights.
That's how you charge your remote.
Oh yeah, it's charging. The remote is charging. You got the amber light. Oh, let me do it without the flash. Remote's doing its thing. It's charging. Okay, let's take it out. Touching the touchpad. Oh, that's awesome. Motion sensor. Oh, that's what's up. Oh, look at that. Microphone. What? So I can talk smack? Alright. Lit. This reminds me of like Star Fox back in the day. There's literally a speaker in this mic, in this controller.
Yeah?
Listen.
That is so sick.
What did you do? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go play, guys. You have a good one.